Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we were doing a unit simplification, which is related at bottomers. So we are doing exercise 15, question number 1 to 8. Left side, right bottomers. According to bottomers, in first step we will solve bracket, then of, then division. So in this statement we don't have bracket or of, so we will carry forward for next operation, that is division. So in first step we will solve part division. Operation division is repeated in this statement 2 times. First 56 divided by 14 and next is 10 divided by 5. So one. So in first step, students, we will divide 56 by 14 and 10 by 5. Now, according to Bodmer's, next is multiplication. So in next step, we will solve the operation multiplication. That is 4 multiplied by 3. Now 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 minus 2 plus 1. Yes, students. Now next is addition. So students, now we have two operations, subtraction and addition. In first step we will solve the addition. So arrange this statement as 12 plus 1 minus 2. 12 plus 1 minus 2. Now solve addition. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 minus 2. Now last is 13 minus 2 is 11. So your answer is 11. Clear, students? Using Bodmer's, first step we will solve division. 56 divided by 14, 4. Multiply 3 as it is. Then minus 10 divided by 5, 2. Plus 1 as it is. Second multiplication, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, minus 2, then plus 1 as it is. Now arrange this statement. 12 plus 1 minus 2. Now add 12 plus 1, 13, minus 2 is 11. So your answer is 11. Next is 10th question. (198) minus 42 multiply by 15 divide by 5 plus 6. Now students, using same method, in first step we will solve this part, division. 198 minus 42 multiply 15 minus 5 is 3 plus 6. Clear, students? Now, next step, 42 multiplied by 3. 198 minus 42 multiplied by 3. 3 2 are 6 and 3 4 are 12. 126 plus 6. Now again we have two operations, subtraction and addition. So arrange the statement as 198 plus 6 minus 126. 204 minus 126. Side 204 minus 126, 14 minus 6, 8 and 978 here. 204 minus 126 is 78. So your answer is 78. Clear, students? Same. First we solve 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 5. 3. 198 as it is minus 42 as it is. Then multiplication 3 plus 6. In next step we will solve this by 42 multiply by 3. Eight plus 6. Now we have this question number 9th and 10th. Next is 11th question. $105 multiply by 14 divide by 7 plus 6 minus 1. 105 multiply by 14 divide by 7 plus 6 minus 1. So first we'll solve 14 divided by 7. Now 105 multiply 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then plus 6 minus 1. Next is 105 divide by 2. Now solve this part. First step division, then multiplication. 205 multiplied by 2, we have 210 plus 6 minus 1. Clear, students? Now 210 plus 6 is 216. 216 minus 1. 216 minus 1, 215. So our answer is 250. First is 105 multiply by 14 divide by 7 plus 6 minus 1. So students, in one step we'll solve division. 14 divided by 7, 105 as it is, then multiply. 14 divided by 7 is 2 plus 6 minus 1. Now second step, 105 multiply by 2 is 210 plus 6 as it is minus 1. Now 210 plus 6 is 216 minus 1 is equal to 250. Now our answer is 250. Yes, friends. Now last question of this exercise. Question number 12. Seventeen plus 34 divide by 17 multiply by 5 minus 20. Bodmas. These operations are missing. First operation is division. So first we will solve division. Seventeen plus 34 divided by 17 plus multiply by 5 minus 2. So in first step we will solve this part. Clear, students? Now 17 plus 34 divided by 17 is 2. Multiply 5 as it is minus 20. Clear, students? Next is multiplication. Now solve this part. 17 as it is plus 2 multiplied by 5, 10 minus 20. Next is addition. 17 plus 10 is 27 minus 20. 27 minus 20 is 7. So your answer is 7. So this is question number 12 of exercise 15. This is the last question of this exercise. Yes, students? Now your exercise 15 is completed. Next is in the next exercise, students will discuss how we can use the brackets. First, we will discuss the types of brackets. Basically, there are 4 types of brackets. First is war bracket. So this bracket is written as 4 minus 7 and this. This is bar bracket. It means in first step we will solve the bar bracket. Yes, students, this is bar bracket. Next is a round bracket. So this is a symbol of round bracket. In second step, we'll solve the round bracket. First step, we'll solve bar bracket. Next step, we'll solve the round bracket. Next is curly bracket. This is a symbol of curly bracket. In third step, we will solve the curly bracket. Last is square bracket. It's the symbol of square bracket. At last, we will solve this bracket. So in first step, we will solve bar bracket. Second, round bracket. Third, curly bracket. Fourth, square bracket. Clear, students? First step, we'll solve the bar bracket. Second step, round bracket, then curly. At last, we will solve the square bracket. Now, students, we will discuss few questions which are related to use of brackets. This is exercise 16. Now we're starting exercise 16. First question is, "20 minus," question first, then round bracket, then curly, at last square bracket. So first we will solve the round bracket, that is this part. So students, 20 minus curly bracket 18 divide by. Now in round bracket we have two operation, addition and subtraction. So in first step we will solve the addition. So arrange the statement as 7 plus 1 minus 2. Now in first step we will solve this part. 7 plus 8, 20 minus curly bracket 18 divided by 7 plus 1, 8 minus 2. Next is, now our round bracket is not solved. Now we will solve this part. Now in this question, round bracket is solved into two steps. In first step we will solve 7 plus 1, addition. Then in next step we will solve subtraction. So 20 minus 18 divided by 8 minus 2 is 6. Now students, your round bracket is solved. Now finish this over this bracket and carry forward. Next is curly bracket. Clear? Next is 20 minus, now solve curly bracket. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Now 20 minus 3 is 17. So your answer is 70. Now first our sequence is, in first step bar, then round bracket, then curly bracket, at last we will solve the square bracket. In round bracket we have two operations, subtraction and addition. So first we will arrange the statements as 7 plus 1 is 20 minus 18 divided by, same it is, first we will solve 7 plus 8. 20 minus curly bracket 18 divided by 7 plus 1 is 8 minus 2, then round bracket, curly bracket. Now 20 minus curly bracket 18 reason. Now solve this. 18 minus 2 is 6. So in this step we will solve the round bracket. Next is curly bracket.